AgriBots, or AgriBots as they're better known, is to monitor the growth and development of plants and crops. As there are 3 of them that currently work in a team of bots, one of them does this, and the other 2 focus on seeding and fertilizing plants, also known as microdosing, and weeding out any unwanted growth to enhance the crop yield. It is hoped that the bots will soon be trialled on other farms and areas of land once they are fully developed. They are electronically powered and use artificial intelligence to cultivate large areas of land more efficiently than it would be if it was done by hand. As the bots run autonomously, they can do their job much faster than is physically possible for a human, and will be able to identify the differences between a range of produce and vegetation. It is estimated that, in the growing agricultural technology industry, they will be part of a $20 billion market by 2025.
Agricultural robots, or AgriBots, are being developed to help farmers produce crops and take care of them. There are 3 types currently being tested. One to help with the growth of plants, another for fertilizing plants, and the third to get rid of any weeds. Once they've been tested, it is hoped that they will be able to work significantly faster and more efficiently than humans. They are self-powered and run independently, and will be able to tell the difference between food, plants, and crops. The agricultural robotics market is growing rapidly.